Hey guys, it's me Katie, and today, I just using the restroom. Sorry about that. I did wash my hands. But today we're gonna be playing Airplane Story 2. I just uploaded part 1, so then I'm gonna upload part 3 after this. I hope they make a part 4 though. I actually do. Oh my god, I love these things. I also like the escalators. Escalators are my favoriteest thing ever to ride on. Oh, well, I don't want to do it then. Do not say that word here. Unless it's Nutter Butter. I never tried Nutter Butter, I don't think, actually. Ooh, that's cool. But I want to go. What's up there? Oh, I thought that'd be like a little cool place. But it's not. It's just the roof. I'm trying to find a place because there's not many people here, actually. Oh, there's a lot of people here, I see. I'm just going to let us in. Let us in. Let us in. Let us in. What is happy? It's all black. What? I don't understand. I don't stand. Well, I do stand up. Wait, but she's really cute. I actually really like her. Oh, that's really cute. I love her top. I love all their tops. Oh my god. Oh my god, just please. Let's go somewhere. I'm going somewhere. I'm going over. Oh, I'm in it. Charlie, I'm me biggest head. Stop. Can I please be let in? Oh. Yeah. Let's go. Ask me, let's go to the Airplane Story 2. So, I woke up an hour ago. I'm so tired from that. I don't know why. Okay, as you probably know in my last video, if you did watch it, I was the chosen one. Whereas I saved the play by myself. Everyone else started in that one. But today, we're with the new people. Having a fun time. Oh, my CD's by someone. Yay. I wonder who I'm sitting by. Oh, great. I don't know who I'm at. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Well, it's not the same people, but that's fine. My name is Kelly. Kelly Clarkson. No, I'm just kidding. I'll be your pilot in this flight. It's fine. You're the person I'm sitting by. That person. Okay. Who is it? Oh, it's that person. The big thing on their head. This one with the UYT. You heard right. Oh, I didn't hear that. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. We still don't know how the captain lost control that time. I do. You saved the day, and the reason that's why we're here. It's because they didn't get a mask and they lost, control. Or the mask didn't come down. So, all right, enough chatting. Because they lost their oxygen. Okay, whatever. Please find the seat that has a golden label with your name. That doesn't look golden. That looks kind of green, actually. We're about to cross a high area of turbulence. Well, can I take that name off? Or, is that a ship just for us people? I'm Mia. Ooh. I like your name, Mia. There we go. I hope it doesn't. I'm just gonna go find. Oh my god, I can't do this. Did we just do barrel roll? Yeah, I think we did. Actually. Did I actually done that? Yeah, I guess I did. Oh, ooh, I like your name. Thank you for your cooperation. Princess Judy. Ooh. Princess Judy. Wait, what? There we go. I've informed the president Hygiene is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him with the further instructions. And remember, no one should know about this. Oh. Wait, why can't we get these up here? This is so much nicer. I'm worried about the seats in the rather than them talking. Welcome to the presidential airplane. Yes, shit. Oh no, this person's stuck behind a door. I'm on top of them. See? And Charlie, Craig, what's? Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions. Okay. God, don't break anything. Don't break anything. Sometimes I'm very clumsy, and I don't want to be clumsy today, so I'm not going to break anything. Oh, the break room is so pretty, and I couldn't even sit up here. President is getting ready. He'll meet you in the dining room. But I just want a glass of water. Can I have a glass of water? I want a glass of water. But there's something you must know before that. Oh, actually, I don't want a glass of water. I don't want a glass of water. Mr. Wade. The president is very special. He gets mad very easily. Oh, that's great. Charlie, please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. But okay, I'm going to get a glass of water. That's all. Thank you. The president should be almost ready. Okay. Can I have a glass of water, please? Ooh, good idea. I actually want one. Oh. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Look at the mess. The president is going to be so mad. Please find something to clean this mess. Or else we'll have to lock mid-moonlight. Just to fight. Well, you see, I don't want that. So, please, so I can grab this. Let me grab it. I'm trying to grab it. Let me grab it. Charlie, I got it. Okay, let's go. Great, it's clean. What about the cups? Please don't let that happen again. Of course. Sorry, sir. President is now ready. I'm so sorry. I don't want to be locked down. Please follow me to the diner. I just want a glass of water. Like, can I have a glass of water? I'm thirsty. I'm actually thirsty in real life, though. Just want some water. No soda sounds good. I want water. Charlie. I wonder what soup we're having for today. Can't mess that up, right? Oh, let's see him out. Let's see him. What is it red? Build the brick wall. I just said that. It looked like I said it, but it wasn't. I'm so sorry. Anyways, welcome to the airplane. What's this? Kitchen. Okay, you could just see the kitchen. My name is Ronald. I'm the president of the Robloxian States. Charlie, you must know you are heroes for this nation. Thank you. Thank you. We have a delicious meal. We'll play a special moment. Sorry to interrupt you guys, Mr. President. Mr. President. Sorry, but I actually was hanging. I'm sorry about that. The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. There was multiple chefs. What? Throw that chef off this plane. I want to go in there. I want to see. Let's see. Oh, no. Have fun. Oh, not you. Have fun. Don't kill us, please. Have fun. But, Mr. President, well, you better learn quick or else I'm throwing you out of the plane. You're mean, boss. You're a mean one. You're so cringe. Well, hopefully you can cook good, because I don't want this. If he can cook... I'm just kidding. Can I go here? Ooh, what's down there? What's that? You can't read it. I think it's his bedroom. If you grab the wrong ingredient, throw it into the trash. She's really pretty. Princess Bunny. I don't add a friend. Hopefully I get a friend. Are you ready? Time to cook. The soup needs apple. Apple. Click on it. Click on it. Click on it. Oh my god. Yay. This is money for now. Cabbage. So close. You're gonna get carried out if you don't. Please. Please. I'm hungry. I wonder actually what happens though to these people. No. The soup needs butter. No, I don't want him to do it. No, you. I am not eating that. I am not eating that. Disgusting. Butter, apples, cabbage, and chicken. That sounds gross. I'm gonna sit farther away, just so he can't see me. I mean, like, how many bowls are they gonna make? It looks delicious. This looks disgusting. Sorry, but it looks disgusting. Well, it's not your fault. You didn't make it. Well, you did make it, but you didn't get told what to put in. So everyone take a seat. I'm gonna eat over here, just so you know. If I had to spit it out, I can spit it out over here, so you guys can't see me. Enjoy. Thanks. I'm gonna use a washer now. Thanks. What's back there? I'm your biggest fan. I follow you. Tell you love me. Purple. What's me? What else is there? We hope you enjoyed the soup. Oh, I didn't even get to eat it. I'm so hungry. I have gummies in my purse though. I'm gonna eat that. Sorry, there's a fly. Oh. He should be meeting you at the presidential suite. Please follow the path to the computer room. Computer room. I think he's down there. Didn't I see a workspace though earlier? Down that way? I think I did. I don't know. Wait, what? That's not fair. What? There we go. It was being laggy. Okay, what's the color of the screen gonna be? What's it gonna be? Please follow the path to the computer room. I'm just gonna walk. Oh, I'm gonna see. Okay, here we go. Time to walk the runway. Can thick signs, same flames. If they can't, then I can fit this. Does everyone else have a computer? Yes, I do. I think. At least it looked better than in the first video. I look so tall in this one. Please. Oh. Why am I still here? I wasn't here. Okay, whatever. I guess I'll go back then. You must try to figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. It's pink. It's pink. Is it pink on this side? Yeah. Let's go. Whoa. We really need to work on that code. Oh, there's keys back here. Meet with the president in the next room. I'm gonna try clicking on it. Can I bag them out? I think my bag's super skinny. Can I fit it though? Oh, I can't fit through it. No. Oh, wait, where am I? Oh. Charlie, hello again. I had to leave early. Sorry. Well, yeah, I probably had a business meeting or something. I had to. Get everything ready. Ooh, what's that? Haunted. What? Hey, you okay though? Wait, how do you get up there? Oh. Pilot room. Is this the bathroom? Can I use it? For some reason, I can't find the keys. Perfect. Can you look for them? They should be somewhere around this cap. Great. Let's open the door with them. Oh, I don't know who found them, though. Oh, how did you get in there, though? You can only go in there. Why is it so laggy? Let's open the door with them. Hooray, let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Let me. Am I the only person back here? Oh, it's not fair. Da-da. 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 There we go. Perfect. Okay, I'm in. What does it say? Him. Haunted him. What? Haunted him. This ain't big enough. I was sleeping right here. I'm sleeping right here. I'm sleeping right here. Good night, guys. Good night, guys. Good night, guys. What you said was pretty funny, but no one's sleeping on the floor, guys. Oh, what's happening? Can I run? Am my sister running? It's nighttime already. Why is everyone at the door? Can I watch a Nini? Something out there. Oh, there's pretty clouds. I'm just gonna call her Princess because Princess Putty. Or I think that's how you say it. I'm sorry. I was saying it wrong. Guys. The curtain. What? Huh? Too laggy. I can't see what. Oh. Oh. Ew. Oh no. It's the monster. Run. Run. Can we run now? Like, can I go? Where's Princess? Is Princess coming? Is it still Princess? Oh my god! No, 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 no. That's because everything's laggy. I'm gonna continue. It's fine. Okay, now I need to go back. Fire! We need to wait. What? Okay. Oh, we're here. Okay, I'm not doing it all again just to do that because I got so far. Papa Paparazzi. There we go. I'm up top. Up top. I'm staying up here just in case. Where's Princess? No, I think she got hurt. I think she got caught in the fire. Nope. Is he gonna come up here? Can he come up here though? I don't want lava to like consume me, so. Are we safe now? I don't think so. I think we need to stay up here though. I don't want to go down. The floor! Get something high, quick. Quick. Did you die though? I think they died though. It's just us three. Don't go to the floor. Great. The fire is gone. What is happening? Ooh, what's this? Do. Haunted him do. Haunted him do. What is it? That doesn't make sense. Haunted him do. Guys, the phone is ringing. We should pick up. Pick up, pick up. Oh my god, pick up. Pick up. Hello? Who's there? Hey guys. I'm glad you picked up. Something terrible is happening on this plane. You don't say. I can't tell you much though through the phone. Well, then come and get us. Oh, when you go to cabin pilot, I don't know. I give up. The problem is the door's locked. Okay. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Okay, got it. Are you gonna be there? Get closer while I do that. Okay, but be careful. The monster might still be around. Okay, great. So it's just perfect. Where are we going? I think it's a piling cabin. I know where that is, though. That's good. Okay, time to run my little butt off. You will not escape this time. Wacky ha ha ho. Don't let him catch you. I'm going. I don't want to look back. I don't want to look back. I don't want to look back. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Come on, 13, 12, 11, 10. Come on. 1. We go. The door's open. Let's go. Get in. Okay, we're in, guys. I wonder how long this is compared to the other one. We're in. Wow. Wow, this actually looks so much different. Is haunted him do is. Doesn't make sense. Oh, I was supposed to click on them. Oops. Did he follow us here? Well, it just brought us. It didn't follow you here. It brought you here. It made you come here. Again. Well, I'm sorry. I knew there was something wrong here. Well, guys, if you understand, please put it down in the comments what it means. Haunted him do is. That's all the words I've got so far. The good news is I'm not just pilot. I'm also secret agent. And I know a lot about this monster. Good. Now get us out of here and get us home. Once he used to be a human, but he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. Okay, well, if I can interrupt you for a second. And there was something about planes. He was always so obsessed with planes. In a scary way. Anyways, I'll try to figure it out in the description, but if not, then please put it down in the comments. He really liked to read news about plane crashes. So he tried to make plane crashes himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. His spirit still chases people like you guys. Great. Because he blames you for his death. Why us? I did not kill him. Now that you know the story about a monster. Oh. Well, you better do that then. Take this gun. Well, you see, you only have one chance. Discover him and kill him. Oh, heck no. No. I don't know. So who is taking the shot? Not me. I will do it. Oh, thank God it's not me. Good luck, bud. Good luck. Alright. Good luck, guys. Maybe the clues tell us who it is. Haunted him. It's probably the president. I don't know. There you are. We've been looking for you. Am I there? Oh, I'm right here. Hey, why can't I turn sideways? Bro. Wait, guns. What? Wait, put that gun down. What are you doing? It's probably not Ronald. We know about the plane to kill us. We know one of you is a monster. You're making a huge mistake. I think it's the agent. We're not monsters. Yet one, not we. Yeah, it's definitely the agent, probably. I don't trust you. Agent Pew. Pew. Bong. Who did she kill? Yes. Ah! What is that? Person that tried to kill you. It's the monster. Bum 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 bum. Dum 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 dum. You're dumb. He's been haunting us since the last trip. Haunting. It tried to take us advantage of this trip. It likes to read plane crash stories, so that's why it tried to kill us. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. No problem. Thanks. Congratulations, passengers. You saved the day once again. That was so scary. Let's go home. Good. I'll be uploading part 4 or 3 soon. It's finally gone now. Well, I don't think it's gone. Finally. Gone. Yeah, I don't think it's gone. I think it's going to be part 3. That's what there is anyways, but victory! Yay, guys. I will see you in part 3 after we get to the lobby. You finished Airplane 2 award. I wanted to get a special award. That's okay. Because maybe in part 3 we will get a special award. But let's do, I think I've done part 3, but that's going to be really fun too. I will see you guys in part 3. Yeah. Oh, and also, wait, try to comment down what you think the thing is. Haunted him do is, I think, with the words. But anyways, wait. Wait, guys, don't leave yet. Don't leave. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next episode of, well, part 3, Airplane. Bye, guys.